Hello everyone! This will be our 9th video. I heard that you are exploring the possibility of implementing a multi-agent system in your company. Tell me, what are your main doubts?
Hi. Yes, we are interested, but we have identified some barriers that we are concerned about. For example, integration with our current systems and resistance to change within the organization.
It makes perfect sense. Implementing multi-agent systems presents technical and organizational barriers, but with a good strategy, they can be overcome. Do you want us to start with the technical aspects?
Yes, go ahead and explain.
One of the biggest challenges is the complexity of system integration. Multi-agent systems must interact with heterogeneous platforms that may lack common standards. This is solved through the use of service-oriented architectures and integration middleware, which allow seamless communication between systems without affecting their performance.
That sounds interesting, but we are also concerned about security. We have heard about cases of cyber attacks on energy infrastructures.
Security is key. In the energy sector, multi-agent systems can be vulnerable to attacks such as malware, ransomware, and intrusions in industrial control systems. To prevent this, it is essential to implement security by design, network segmentation, and continuous monitoring. In addition, there are regulations such as the NIS2 directive that establish cybersecurity requirements.
And as for interoperability, is it feasible to integrate a multi-agent system with our current infrastructures without affecting performance?
Of course it is. Although the heterogeneity of systems is a challenge, using open standards such as those of FIPA, together with the modeling of common ontologies, facilitates interoperability. A modular design also helps to scale the system without affecting its performance.
It is clear to me that there are technical solutions, but at the organizational level we are concerned about staff training and resistance to change.
This is an entirely logical concern. The key is specialized training. Courses on multi-agent systems and platforms such as Jade will help workers understand how they work. In addition, mentoring and collaborative learning encourage a more natural transition.
That makes sense. Another aspect is regulatory compliance. Are there specific rules for the implementation of multi-agent systems?
Yes, and this is a key point. It is essential to conduct regulatory risk assessments to ensure compliance with data protection, intellectual property, and cybersecurity regulations. Companies operating in different jurisdictions must adopt international standards, such as ISO standards.
I see there are many variables to consider. What would be the first step to get started?
First, a technical and organizational assessment must be made to identify how multi-agent systems can be integrated into your company. Then, define a training and cybersecurity strategy, and finally, a regulatory compliance plan. With this approach, the transition will be smooth and effective.
I like the plan. We are going to have a meeting internally to discuss it in detail with the management team. Once decided, what would I need to do to move forward with this?
You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada through LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can revolutionize PPA energy contracts.